yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, dude. Let's get out. Oh. What are you doing today?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
We're taking the boat out?
Maybe.
Maybe. You know what we're not gonna do? Find any boys. Oh, it's a beautiful Sunday. Got just back the boat into the water. Mama's keeping the boat from drifting away. Doing a great job, isn't she? You don't know? Yeah, it'll be the first time we get the boat out on the water here in Virginia. So looking forward to it. What are you doing?
Hold the boat.
Doing a good job.
I know. It's really hard.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh, I can tell.
What is the wide angle-ness of that?
Wide enough. Well, been out messing around on the boat for a while. It's pretty windy, pretty choppy out on the big water on the Potomac, but it's not too bad. Oh, there's a train. Yeah, we took a nice little cruise. I'm just trying to check out the area and see what I mean, I've never been out here, so just trying to figure out what's what and see where different little creeks are and those things. So, but Potomac it's pretty windy out, pretty choppy, so a little rough go. I had head seas coming up this way, headed north on the river, so at least going back I'll have trace seas or follow seas, I'm sorry. Yeah, on the way back I'll follow seas, so that'll be a little bit easier on the boat. But yeah, it's been pretty nice out. The weather's great. It's cool. Kids having fun on their phone. Who are you talking to? Here, good talk. So yeah, I mean, it's good to just get the boat out, run. You know, it hasn't been ran months and months and months, so let's get it on the water and run it, burn some fuel, and just enjoy cruising around. Didn't bring any fishing gear or anything. Today is just a exploratory day. What do you think? What do you think? What are we doing? Are we having fun?
Yeah. Which way are we gonna go up?
How's your phone?
Fine.
Fine?
Which way are we going up?
Huh?
Which way are we going?
Which way, what do you mean which way we're going? We were going north on the Potomac towards Washington.
Yeah, are we continue going that way?
No, we're gonna head back the other way.
It's Mom's.
Yeah. There's the mom. Find anything exciting?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Sea monsters.
Sea monsters. You're a monster. Can you figure this out?
Stop it.
Oh, good job.
Shut up. wheel. Watch the. You're in charge, kid. Keep it straight. Small movements with the wheel, baby. On you go. Watch forward.
Well, as you can see, I'm no longer on the boat. I'm back at the house. We had cruised up north on the river pretty good little ways, so it was time for us to get moving back to the house. So we had things to get done back here. So I just pretty much gunned it, cruised back to the marina where I keep the boat. So we didn't stop and do anything at all on the way back. So nothing exciting content-wise there, but it was a great time getting out there and messing around. As I'd said, the first time in a while I'd been out on the water, and if you guys have been following along with the vlogs this year, you know that I had some registration issues with the boat that needed to be resolved so I could take it out on the water, which was kind of unfortunate because I had all that time that I wasn't really doing much before the family got here, that I could have gone out and cruised around and explored some. But I mean, it is what it is. It was fun to get out and spend some time with the family on the water. Didn't do any fishing, just out looking around, exploring. Got to show the kid how to drive the boat a little bit, so that was fun. She had a good time doing that. So, you know, just making memories, you know, getting out there and enjoying, you know, the opportunities that we have. Enjoying time with family, and, you know, just enjoy a beautiful, you know, weekend out and about. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little clip. You know, it's something a little different than what we have had up, and hopefully we'll have a lot more, you know, fishing, boating type stuff coming up. Got some hiking that we're getting in, getting busy with that. So hopefully we'll have some good opportunities that we can get some good content on and get that up for you guys to take a look at. It was a rough spring with the turkey season, so I'm going to try and make up for it with fishing, and at least until the fall when deer season opens up. But anyway, thanks for following along as always. Appreciate your guys' support, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.